In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot and Slack. By the end, you'll have your HubSpot portal connected to your Slack workspace so you can streamline notifications, collaborate faster, and keep your team in the loop without switching tabs. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to both HubSpot and Slack in your browser. You'll also need permission to install apps in HubSpot, and in some organizations, a Slack admin may need to approve the connection. If you don't see the options I'm showing, check with your administrators. Begin in your HubSpot portal. From your main dashboard, look for the Marketplace icon or the App Marketplace link in the navigation. Click Marketplace to open the HubSpot App Marketplace. This is where you can find and install official integrations that extend HubSpot's capabilities. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Slack. You'll see the Slack integration appear in the results. Click the Slack listing to open its details page. When you're on the listing, confirm you're looking at the official HubSpot certified app so you know it's vetted and supported. Take a moment to review the tabs across the listing. Start with Overview to understand what the integration does at a high level, things like sending HubSpot notifications to Slack and letting you take quick actions from Slack. Next, click Features. This section outlines the specific capabilities so you know exactly how it will help your team, from alerts to record previews and more. Then, open App Functionality. This is important because it explains the technical behavior and the permissions the app needs to work properly. If your organization has security guidelines, verify that these align with your policies. Move on to reviews to see feedback from other users, which can highlight best practices or limitations to be aware of. Click Pricing to confirm any costs or limits associated with the integration for your HubSpot tier. Finally, open Requirements to check prerequisites, things like user permissions and any product edition needs. Reviewing these tabs now can prevent surprises later. When you're ready, click Install on the Slack listing page. HubSpot will guide you through the installation flow. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this step so the authorization window can open. You'll be redirected to Slack's authorization screen. At the top, ensure the correct Slack workspace is selected. If it isn't, use the workspace switcher to pick the one you want to connect with HubSpot. Choose the workspace you intend to integrate, then proceed. You'll see a list of permissions the app is requesting. These typically include the ability to post messages, read basic user information, connect to channels, and work with files. Exactly what's needed to deliver notifications and enable quick actions. Take a moment to review them so they meet your organization's standards. When everything looks good, click Allow to grant access. Slack will process the request and redirect you back to HubSpot. You should see a confirmation that the Slack app has been installed for your portal. If anything doesn't complete as expected, double check that you're logged into the correct HubSpot account and the correct Slack workspace, that you have the right permissions, and that no pop-ups were blocked. Sometimes a quick refresh of the HubSpot Marketplace page helps display the updated installation status. That's it. You went to the HubSpot App Marketplace, searched for Slack, verified the official listing and its details across Overview, Features, App Functionality, Reviews, Pricing, and Requirements, installed the app, chose the proper Slack workspace, and approved the permissions. With the connection in place, your team can stay informed in Slack about what's happening in HubSpot, helping you respond faster and keep work moving. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, follow along with your own portal and workspace to complete the setup, and you'll be ready to collaborate more efficiently right away.